Want to use your Tracfone on another network? First, you need to check if it's unlocked. The easiest way is using Tracfone's online IMEI checker tool. Your IMEI is a 15-digit code unique to your phone. Dial SEX to find it. Enter this on Tracfone's website or app. The result will tell you if your phone is locked, blacklisted, or eligible for unlocking. To be eligible, your Tracfone needs to have been active on Tracfone for at least 12 months with an account in good standing. That means no unpaid balances. Phones bought from third-party retailers like Walmart are also eligible if they meet this 12-month active service requirement. Remember, if you still owe money on the phone, it won't be unlocked. Tracfone's unlock policy and what to expect. Tracfone provides free unlocks if you're eligible. Once unlocked, you can use it with other GSM carriers like AT&T or T-Mobile. Just because your phone is unlocked doesn't guarantee it'll work perfectly on another network. Some carrier-specific features or bloatware might still be present. If your phone is eligible, submit an unlock request through Tracfone's website or customer support. You'll receive a code or confirmation via email or SMS to input into your phone's settings. Keep in mind that Tracfone doesn't unlock phones for resale if there's an outstanding balance, and international unlocking for global SIMs isn't guaranteed on all models. This policy is governed by FCC rules designed to protect consumer rights.